I'm in a vloggy mood. I don't know what's really gotten into me, but I feel like vlogging, so we're gonna vlog today. I have some things that I need to do. I'm sitting on the floor because I have shoes on and I don't want to step on my carpet because I don't want my carpet to get gross. I'm trying desperately to upload my last vlog. I don't know how this is gonna fit into my schedule, if I'm being completely honest, because I was talking about 2 videos a week, one fun one and one review. I have so many things that I need to get up. I have Essie, China Glaze, Zoya, the Sally Hansen, those 4 videos that need to go up. Oh, today I need to do my voiceover for the Noodles nail polish, polish pickup, polish. How many times can I say polish? And then, so I have all those 4 reviews. I've actually already have 2 of them already uploaded, but like, oh my gosh, what am I saying? What I'm trying to say is that if I am doing these vlogs, that might mean that you guys are gonna get an additional video a week, or maybe there's just gonna be a week where this is the fun video, if you will. So anyways, last night I was trying to upload the vlog. It did not go up, so we're gonna try this again. Honestly, I got like 4 hours of sleep. Actually, you know what? Let's check. My brain. Oh my gosh. And today I also need to work on doing my end screen, and also I'm considering redoing my banner. I'm in this mood. I was up super late last night and I can't chill. I have no chill today. It's been, it's a good thing because I didn't get very much sleep. So there's that. I think I went to bed at like 2 o'clock in the morning, because I wanted to get this video up. Like, I was up working on it pretty late. Why is this loading? Why is everything loading today? I need to put some lip balm on. I'm gonna just put on plain lip balm because that lasts. Does it really look like that? Now I'm thinking that that lip color always looks like that, and I just haven't noticed. I thought it looked different. Like, how embarrassing. I've been walking around with orange lips, which to an extent is actually kind of nice. I like a peachy, like a neutrally peachy kind of look. But that was not it. I love the Burt's Bees unscented lip balm. This doesn't have that peppermint in it at all. It just feels so good on the lips. Oh my gosh. I actually got this at TJ Maxx because I cannot find this anywhere else. I'm sure if I looked online. I took some B12 this morning. I'm actually supposed to take it every single day. My doctor wants me to take it because I have Hashimoto's, which is an autoimmune disorder. My immune system attacks my thyroid, which you know, messes with a lot of things. So because of things like low energy, she wants me to take B12. I have not been doing it because it makes me break out, but I've been taking it lately and I'm breaking out, but it's fine. At least I feel good inside, right? Mentally I'm feeling good, so that should trump my ugly breakouts. Seriously, this is so frustrating. Anyways, okay, so my video is now finally fully uploading. It's been uploading all night. I think it's because my computer went to sleep, so it stopped. I'm very hungry though. I don't know what I'm gonna have. Maybe, should I do oatmeal or should I do eggs and hash browns? Okay, I'm not gonna take you into my kitchen because it's like a dungeon. It's like so dark in here. So actually, the lighting is horrible when I take you into my kitchen anyways. What am I gonna make? I'm seriously so hungry. What should I do? What should I do? I'm gonna figure it out. I'm having oatmeal. I put it in this mug cup thing. It actually has like a lid so you can microwave stuff in it. I don't microwave, but anyways, so I'm just gonna do some oatmeal this morning and just dive in to the things that I really want to do, because I need to redo my end slate because or in screen. I don't know what it's called. Is that what it's actually called? I don't know. But I need to redo it because I accidentally deleted it. And then I'm thinking about redoing the banner. Did I already say this? I think I did. But I'm not like a graphic designer. So this is going to take a while. I also need to make sure that I get my video up for the noodles polish. So I guess we're just gonna be lounging today, getting some stuff done at the house. Sometimes it's just like that. Okay, I have spent some time doing an end screen, and fingers crossed it works, because, you know, I want to put videos at the end of my video, and I don't know if I have the boxes right, but I'm gonna show you. Tell me what you think. It's probably gonna be at the end of my first vlog, well, my last vlog, and probably at the end of this one. So Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me. I am not a professional in any way. I dabble in it a little bit. So here we go. I have been recording without my mic plugged in this whole time. So forgive any rattling, forgive any annoying noises. Oh my gosh. You ready? Are you ready? You ready? You ready? All right. Here it is. So this is my last vlog. I don't have the sound on, but tell me what you think. Is it cute? I think it's super cute. I don't know. Obviously, I think it's cute because that's what I made. So I am pleased with that. I am pleased with that. I actually like it better than my last one. So that's good news. That's good news. I'm so glad that I spent my time doing this. You know, there's things. I disconnected my charging cube from my laptop cord. Anyways, there are times when it's just like things need to get done. You don't do them, but when you do them, you feel so good. And it's like, man, why didn't I do this sooner? That's how I'm feeling right now. It's been a long time since I switched it up, but I feel like it is time. We are in a new phase, a new arc. This is the new Jodi arc. I've actually considered making a different channel for my vlog videos. I don't know, like part of me is like, no, why would I do that? Like that would be a lot of upkeep. The other part of me is like, some of you are probably super annoyed by these videos. So for now they're gonna be here, but I'm contemplating. Now I need to do my voiceover, but I'm gonna have to go connect to my my mic so I can get some good quality, because a really good way to upgrade your videos is through audio. If people can hear you, people are gonna watch you. Obviously some things are important to like get color accuracy, particularly with nail polish swatches, but I feel like people are really forgiving, especially in the nail polish community. I feel like people are so forgiving when it comes to nail polish swatches, because I look back and it's like, that was really bad. And you guys were hyping me up. You guys, somebody was lying. Somebody was lying. Those were some awful photos. It's interesting to look back on them though and see how far I have come. All I can say is like, if you want to get into swatching and you want to improve, like if you're into photography, I recommend getting a real camera. I need to do a whole different video. I said that in my last video, my last vlog, that I'm going to do a whole different video, but that is what I'm going to do. I need to talk about what I've been using. I think, I don't know, maybe you guys aren't interested in that. I haven't uploaded the video yet, so I don't have feedback from you guys yet, so. Okay, so once I do that voiceover, what else am I going to do? I could probably, what time is it? I could probably get in some swatches. Maybe I can get in some swatching of the Peeps collection and the Essie collection. I would like to go out and do something else than sit in my house. We'll see. I gotta go grocery shopping tomorrow, so I'm not gonna vlog then. It just gets way chaotic. Oh my gosh, I'm so pumped about this end screen. I feel so accomplished. Like, I was up until like 2:30 in the morning. I was up really late and then I got up at 6. So that probably wasn't smart, but I'm telling you right now, get some B12. I feel like there's electricity just running through my veins. Why did I say that? I'm itchy. My chest is red. I am allergic. I haven't worn, this is a different cardigan, and I haven't worn it for probably a month. But like a month ago, I was using a different fabric softener, and that fabric softener made me itchy. Yeah, man, I was going crazy. I actually have a scar on my leg because the itch was so bad. The itch was so bad. I was waking up in my sleep just itching. I gave myself, like, I made myself, it was bad. It was bad. I got a scar. That's how bad it was. So I need to re-upload my video. I literally uploaded it and I don't have an end screen. Like, what are you doing? Girl, what are you doing? What are you doing? So I have to redo that. I should probably get some laundry done because that's an everyday thing. I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs. If you like them, I'm gonna do more. I mean, I'm probably gonna do more anyways. I vlog and I don't even upload my vlogs because I have the intention of vlogging, and then I look back on it and I'm like, there was no point to this video. But I feel like that's kind of the point of vlogs. They are pointless. They are just pointless. Shall we go out? Shall we go out? Actually, you know what? I need to do that thumbnail. What am I doing? Hold on. I am listening to Life by Cindy's live streams. If you like vlogs, and it's not Life by Cindy. I always say that, Life plus Cindy. I think her vlogs are really good, so if you're interested, That's who I've been watching lately. Are you sick of this perspective yet? I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna make myself a burger. I don't have any buns, so I guess I'm just gonna use lettuce. I don't know. I'm like really hungry. I want some real food, so I just fired up the grill while I prepare my pate. I highly recommend that you don't over massage your ground beef when you're making burgers, or even meatloaf for that matter. It makes it a weird texture. A really weird texture. Yeah, I picked this up. It was like, I used to not know how to cook. So I actually got married, didn't know how to cook. I was a microwave kind of girl. And in my venture into learning how to cook, I don't know what article it was, but I was reading an article that said like don't overdo your meat. Your ground beef, because it makes it kind of tough. I really didn't notice a difference at that time, but there was a time when I did eat one that was overdone, and I didn't even think anything of it, but the texture was totally off. So if you haven't tried it, try not to what is the word I'm looking for? I don't know, but you know, like over whatever. I need to go wash my hands. I'm gonna keep it simple. I just got some salt and pepper. This is gonna be so messy. I literally have lettuce, tomatoes. I have everything but the buns. Whatever. It's yummy. It's gonna fill me up. Yum. I'm gonna flip this over so I don't have to touch it. Perfect. I really want to make my own deck furniture. My husband thinks that I should just go buy it, but I want it to be good quality. I don't want the wicker. Like, it looks nice, but it gets destroyed easily. And then maybe I'll buy some cushions, or maybe I'll make some cushions. I'm not sure yet, but that's what I want to do. I want it to be lounge seating out here. Right now we have a table and like at it. It's super messy out here. It's just like dirty, like dusty. I need to get to that, but it's been like on and off cold. It is a little bit chilly, at least where I'm sitting in the shade, but it's, you guys, I am so excited for this warm weather. I don't like wearing shoes. I didn't know that about myself. I remember when I was a kid, people would wear, go barefoot, and they would talk about not liking shoes, and I didn't know that about myself until recently. If I can, I would wear sandals. I don't like the ground, the rough feeling under my feet, but I would just not ever wear like actual shoes. I would just wear sandals. I hope this gets done really quickly. Like, I have an hour. Oh my gosh, no, I have like 2 hours. What am I thinking? So we have some time, so I'm gonna have time to eat, and then I'm gonna have to figure out, maybe we'll go to the park or something. Like, I kind of don't want to leave to go anywhere in particular, because I want to bring my husband. Like, I love bringing my husband places, like everywhere. I just like him. I'm still listening to the live stream. That's what I was doing while I made my burger. Oh! Wow. Not me slapping my camera. So, I've got some lettuce. That's how this is just gonna have to work, because this is all I've got. I got some ketchup. I'm a ketchup girl. My husband makes fun of me because I like ketchup. I like ketchup. I try to make it a long piece of lettuce so that it can like wrap itself like this. Ooh! This is the saddest looking hamburger I've seen in a while, so. All right, we're here. That's totally man-made. I wish I lived near large bodies of water. I mean, I guess I do. We can make trips to Lake Tahoe, not a problem. But, oh, it's so nice to be out here right now. So I came across this garden. I didn't even know it was here. There was a girl when I was a teenager who her home was broken into, and her life was taken, and they have this little memorial garden for her. I didn't even realize they had this. Obviously it's not exactly pretty right now because it's not exactly summer, but as we get more and more into spring, it's gonna be really nice. I'm glad I came out. I should come out here more often. I really don't take advantage of my community very much. I don't know if I'm gonna make it back to my car in time. This is a lot longer of a walk and I've stopped multiple times. I need to get to it. I might start running. I gotta go get some kids from school. It's so pretty here. Too bad it's next to the freeway, but it's super pretty. I still have to go all the way over there. Wish me luck. I can't believe it's been so long since I've come here. I should come back and show you guys. There's a house over behind me that I walked by, and it is a pirate theme. The paint, everything about it is so stinking cute. I'm gonna have to come back and check it out because it's so much fun. It has gotten so windy. I'm just gonna have to wrap it up here because after this I'm just gonna go get some kids from school. So that was a fun walk. I feel kind of bad. It was hard to dodge people's kids, and then the wind does not help. I imagine there's going to be a lot of wind blowing in the mic, so we'll see what I can salvage. Whew. It is windy. Oh my gosh. It is windy out there. So I'm going to wrap it up here. I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs. I keep saying that because I haven't posted my first one, so I don't know what the feedback's gonna be, but hopefully you guys enjoy them because I've been enjoying doing them. It's a good way for me to just talk. Anyways, that's it. I will see you in my next one. Bye!